SupervOOC flash charger, fully charged in 33 minutes.
Snapdragon 855 Plus.
5 cameras, including a 64 megapixel sensor.
That's flagship killer, Jack.
90Hz display, highest end phone the company has ever made.
Think you know speed? Addiction, fixation, obsession, KPH to Mark 3. We've done it all. Yet we want more. More speed. Like running 100 meters in under 10 seconds. So what does speed feel like? It feels like blinking twice and almost missing it. Like the laws of physics were meant to be broken. Like being a real life superhero. This is what speed feels like. Presenting India's fastest charging flagship.